Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Xingyongguang Taiwanese Hakka opera began in Hsinchu County 50 years ago. In the intervening years, times may have changed, but the group's passion for Hakka opera has never dimmed. They believe in keeping tradition alive while striving for innovation. In addition to theater performances, Xingyongguang is actively involved in passing on this Hakka tradition in local schools and communities.
Yo, 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 it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And when you tune into this segment, We Love Hakka, we really hope that you can learn a little bit of Hakka vocabulary, the culture, including food, places to go, and sometimes performance troupes and groups and whatnot. 其实有的时候我们也会介绍一些就是客家的团体的表演团体啦，戏剧等等之类。那今天有没有什么样这样子的团体可以介绍给大家？
好，我今天介绍这个呢，就是一个比较传统的一个客家的剧团。
OK，
它叫做行运港客家戏剧团。
行运港哦，这应该是这个团体的名字吧？
对，就是新永光。
新永光 is the name of this group, and it's a traditional Hakka performance group. 然后后面Hakka，对不对？就是客家什么？
对，客家戏剧团就是客家戏剧团。
戏剧团 ，OK, that means a performance troupe. All right. 那他们是你说蛮传统的，
他们是在那个新竹县新竹县成立的。
OK，
然后成立到现在已经有50年了。
Wow. All right. So this group has been around for 50 years now, and they started in Hsinchu County 50 years ago, again called Xingyongguang Hakka Opera Group or Performance Group.
我要介绍一下，就是这个团体我以前曾接触过，他们的创团的团长那个徐兰妹，这个徐团长，那以前我有接触过。
OK，
那他已经过世了。但是呢，他虽然说过世，但是这个团呢还是非常非常的延续着，一直要传承客家文化这个心愿。所以他们在这个50周年这个时候呢，他推出了一个大戏
，OK，
叫做散夫马。
散夫马
就是三驸马。
三驸马 OK. So again, the history of this group goes back 50 years ago, and Leo had the chance to meet the group leader once. Her name is Xu Lanmei, right? But she passed away already. And the troupe still continues on the tradition of this group, and now they actually have a special performance called 三驸马。
散夫马。
散夫马。All right, there you have it. Another learning about the Hakka culture, and that does for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.